Alright guys and girls, it's Pastor Ted and this is Jeff here. And we're just finishing up here today. We got, how many trout? 9 big ones?
9 trout.
9 big ones. We're able to keep 4 total. The rest were oversized. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Nice big fish today. Got 3 reds. Had a snook on, and we got 2 grouper also, though, which was a little surprising. But beautiful day of fishing, beautiful weather, and we had a really good time. Well, we just wanted to say to you guys, you know, if you like our videos, just like and share them, and hit us up on Facebook and also on YouTube. And God bless you, God bless your family, and God bless America. Bye-bye.